Now we will be showing how to switch the belt skimmer wipers on the belt skimmer unit. We'll start by taking it up out the sump. Your wipers right here. And we're just gonna pull those up. Let's open our new wipers. You wanna take your first wiper and install them in the little indentation on the dip tray. Let's go ahead and install that wiper. It's easy as pushing it down. Let's get our second wiper. And as you can see, that's gonna go on the inside of the dip tray. Let's install that one. Simple as pushing that one down. And this is how your wiper should look when reinstalled.